Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to consider about this integration in here. From 0 to number 1. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to 1 over t. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 1 over t squared dt. Next we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that means t will go to positive infinity. Because when t goes to positive infinity, 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 in here, so we can find the value of t equals to number 1. So number 0 we change by positive infinity. This one we change by 1 over t. Similar for this one. The s we change by this one. Next we have the formula in here. ln of a over b equals to ln a minus ln b. Now we can apply the formula in here, and we have ln number 1 minus ln t. ln number 1 you got 0. Negative negative we simplify. So t squared multiplied by this one and this one. Next, we can change back to s. So you got about like this. So we have this one equals to this one. Now I will put this one go to the left, and then we have the negative sign in here. So we have the negative, so we can swap the top and the bottom together. Next, we have the top and the bottom, that's about number 1. We combine two integrals together, and we just got like this. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.